Goose, we got white bread from my bird, and Goose, it tried. It's probably gonna like it. So Goose, and we're gonna peeling off the crust. So I'm pretty sure birds that like bread don't like to eat the crust. I mean, I'm not surprised. The crust isn't always my favorite. Maybe sometimes Goose, because not all the time. Goose.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goose, we're not gonna put the whole thing, but I'm gonna cut it into little pieces with my fingers and hands, because we're gonna put the little pieces inside of the bird cage. And we'll see how Chad's reaction will be. Hey buddy, got you some bread. I guess he's excited. It's because we're gonna pinch some, because I got this little piece right here. I don't know why. Maybe I'll just do that, Goose. Goose, I'm gonna break off another piece. Yeah, those two pieces. Be sure they'll like it. We're also gonna give it some water, Goose. This bird is. Bird will love this, Goose. Right, Goose? Soon the bread pieces will be gone because the bird eating it, Goose. I mean, I don't know how long it will take for the bird to be done. Maybe a while, Goose. There we go. Goose, we'll leave this here soon. Oh, I forgot I was done. Excuse me. Leave this right here. And later, yeah, Goose. So Goose, the bird is doing fine. And that stuff, Goose. So Goose, I'm gonna show you where I found the bird now. Sorry I didn't get to show you before, Goose. But Goose, this time I promise this video will be the day when the time when I get to show you. It's good, Goose. Yeah. Good. Good. Right here, Goose. And Goose. And then he's still right here, and then when I try to pick him up, he's starting to scare him. He went up here, right here, next to the poles. Oh, not that kind of. Okay, Goose. And then he was lucky he was right next to bugs, because yeah, birds really like bugs and all that stuff. So Goose, yeah, and I think he ate a couple of those. Remember him bending his head down right there and eating bugs. And Goose, I could see that now he's used to me. And Goose, I'm really happy that he got him now. And Goose, those are the trash cans where I found it, Goose. Goose, yep, birds. Got the bird all safe and sound. It's really good, Goose. Because I want this bird to be happy. And she, Goose, look at him, Goose. He's just too cute to resist. Huh. Goose, this little sparrow. He's lucky. He has another home now, Goose. Yeah. Pretty sure his mom forgot about him. And Goose, I'm just gonna keep him until mom comes back. His mama and dada comes back, and this bird will be in the nest probably soon. Excuse me. I'm honestly really happy that we got this bird. So good, so pretty. Yeah, is it? Sabah's Cougars.